Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to be doing a short demo of this GOOLOO upgraded GP3000 jump starter. It's a 3000 amp peak car starter. It can charge up to a 9-liter gas or 7-liter diesel engine. So in the box it came with the charger, user manual, USB charge cable, the connection to the battery, and a nice little case. Overall it's pretty small and will fit in the glove compartment. Has safety features. It also has a light, and it can flash, and I guess from what I hear this is an SOS signal. I'm not sure if anybody knows Morse code or not. And of course you can turn it off. Has an indicator if it's fully charged. I did use it once so far, but I'm going to demonstrate again. I'm going to demo it on our 2018 Honda Pilot, whose battery just died. I've already tried it once, but we'll be trying it again. So I'm just about to try to start the Honda Pilot. You can see there's nothing. It won't start at all. The battery's too dead. Now I'll open up the hood, just a little latch on the bottom. And here we have the bar. There's two places to put it, here, or if you want more space you can do it way down here. In this next step I'll connect the battery cable portion to the charger. It just goes in one way. Now my only gripe here is these leads are a little short, but it works. With this Honda Pilot, the battery is somewhat covered, but the positive terminal is available, so we'll connect the positive first. And then for the negative we'll just do a grounding point. And there's a little light that says connect. So now we'll go ahead and start the engine. So it started right up. Now we can remove the cables, negative first and then positive. And the charger's ready for the next time. It still has a lot of charge. I think it says it can do several boosts in one charge. So anyways, that's the review and demo of the GOOLOO upgraded GP3000 jump starter. Hope it helps. I think it works quite well. This is a V6 engine and it just boosted it with no issue. Thanks again for watching and hope to see you again soon.